Hi, I'm Heather Elise, and welcome to the AI Edit. If you've ever wanted to build a brand, create content, or monetize your creativity without ever showing your real face on camera, this is the channel you've been looking for. I use AI tools to do what most people think requires a camera crew and hours of filming. From Faceless UGC to branded influencer content, I direct, edit, and produce everything using AI. And when I'm not on screen like this, you'll see me show up like this, my AI twin. She's still me, just a different creative form. Everything you see here, I've built, and so can you. This channel is all about teaching you how to use AI like a creative director. I'll show you how to build your own AI twin, create faceless UGC for brands, design entire campaigns with nothing but prompts, and monetize it all without burning out or being on camera. Subscribe if you're ready to step into your soft power, work smarter with AI, and finally build a brand that doesn't require you to show up every single day on camera. And if you're the type who wants to learn directly from me, I'm building my own community right now, teaching everything from avatar creation to faceless brand monetization. Drop a comment if you want early access.